Do you ever find yourself hesitating when saying the names of vegetables? In this video, we are going to look at some of the most commonly pronounced vegetables names and get them right once for all. Okay, so let's dive in. First word is artichoke, asparagus, beet and beetroot, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, cabbage, chicory. This word is not chicory, it's a chicory. Cucumber, endive, fennel, jalapeno, radicchio, rutabaga, zucchini,